Oh my gosh, you guys, imagine a hair tie that doesn't break on you if you go for a third loop, and it secures your hair with just one pull. And imagine it stays in place all day and lasts 15 times longer than what you have now. SureFit hair tie. Perfect. Hey there. So I'm going to show you today how even a loose ponytail holds strong with the double looped SureFit hair tie. Here I make sure the square piece is on the inside facing my palm. And as you can see, I'm going to gather all my hair to the side, putting in the amount that I would like for my loose ponytail. And I'll place both loops lower on my hair. I'll pull one band to lock it in place, and it'll hold and stay right there. I'll just take it and loop it around only once. And as you can see, it's still holding in my hair as I shake my head and move about my day or party. And as you can see, it won't slip out, which I love. The hold is still nice and tight, even on a loose ponytail, and since it's locked, I'll pull it to release it and it'll slide right off. And there you go. Hey guys, so in the previous video, I showed you how the double looped SureFit hair tie held strong on a loose side ponytail using all of my hair. So today I'm going to show you how the SureFit hair tie holds tightly in place using even less hair. So once again, I start out with the square piece on the inside of my hand. I'm gathering the amount of hair that I want for my ponytail, and this time I want it tight and I want the hair tie close to my scalp. I'll pull one band to lock it in place, and it'll hold and it'll stay right there. I'll complete my loops to my comfort level, which in this case is 2 additional loops. And as you can see, it's still holding in my hair as I give it a shake. This SureFit hair tie is not going anywhere, and I love that. No matter what, I know it's going to hold in my hair. It won't slip out, and it'll hold nice and tight, and since it's still locked in place, I'll have to pull it to release it, and it'll slip right out. And there you go. Okay, so we've seen how wonderful the SureFit hair tie works with the loose side ponytail using all of my hair, and we've seen how it works just as great holding only half of my hair. But can it really lock into place using a very small amount of hair? Let's check it out. So I've gathered the amount of hair that I want, and the bottom ponytail is there just to hold the hair out of the way. And right here I'm turning around the SureFit hair tie to make sure the square piece is on the palm side of my hand. I'm holding my hair right where I want my ponytail, and will place both bands around my hair. I'll pull one to lock it in place, and it'll hold and stay there, and I absolutely love that about it. It's as tight as I want on the first pull. Now, in the other videos, I didn't have to wrap the remaining loops around as much because I didn't pull it as tight and I had more hair in the ponytail. And the amount of times you wrap it after it's locked depends on the amount of hair you used and how tightly you pulled it. So I'm just going to remove this hair tie and adjust my hair to my liking. And right there you can see that it's still locked. So I loosen it and I pull it out. And I adjust my ponytail where I would like it, and this is the style I want for today. Very simple, very sleek, and there you have it.